Let me first of all apologize to all of you. I was thinking that from the St. John's area, we'll be coming down here, but they dragged me to another area of the Obuna Valley. That was why we came late. But let me apologize to you. Let me say this clearly. Part of the problems we have, you are part of them. Do you understand what I'm saying? You are part of the problems we are having. I didn't come here today for you to praise me. All these project, leave it. Do you understand me? You know why you are the part of the problem I'm talking about? You make politicians not to do the right thing. Fine. God will bless you for that. Let me tell you why. When politicians come, they make promises, and that politician will live for 8 years. Then he will bring somebody to you to come and talk to you. You open your ears and you are listening to the person. You ask, Oga, not being there before. What do you do for us? You don't talk. You waste your time. They listen to lie. They listen to lie. I just say on the verse for me. Not so. Hold on. You know why? Hold on. See, no sir. Gaman don't figure out Gaman. So, me I know. But why you want to kill somebody whenever do anything wrong? But even if you invest, you're right. Because part of the problem where we get now, social media don't kill us. Plenty lies there for social media. I say, I'm a killer, I'm a children, they're not there somewhere. Lies. They say, you know, from Nigeria now, everybody want to born picking now wicked. I don't know. I don't know that. If you know, if no customer come today, now wicked. If food no there for a table, now who? Wicked. If your girlfriend no come, now wicked. If your wife start killing who? Wicked. Everywhere go, wicked. Some people say that wicked are ghosts. Ghosts not here today. I will tell ourselves the truth. That one where the man will talk say, in there with PDP, that's that time. Which PDP that one? I know there for that one that time. I know there for that one. What did I do? Now Southern presidency. Now what did I do? The other one, no talk that country next time we'll say they for PDP for that one. I know they for that one there. Yes, if you go for Dogo, you are right. Do you understand me? Because now Southern presidency. Anybody won't vote for Southern presidency. Now that's why it did.
Your point, sir.
Now that's why it did.
Your point.
That is why all of you, I don't know the principle of Yendeba. Even though say, I just a day for a house, I there with our babes, I there with our men, or they dance. Nobody don't call you one day. Okay, this one where you wax, take this one. Nobody. But when you go and wax that, when you go out, madam, So now me just they think, they wax, You just they enjoy it without no one. Now God don't want to do. But it is for everybody to understand the fact that all I have stood for with my colleagues is that power must shift to the south. I say so. I owe no apologies to anybody. It is not about parties, it's about unity of Nigeria. And the only way Nigeria can be united, for all of us to see ourselves as one, that God has brought all of us together in this country, is Iyendeba. So if you voted for B, you are not wrong. You are not wrong, I will tell you here. If you voted for Swahili, you are not wrong, because all of them are Satanists. But if you voted for that person, you are very, very wrong. They are hearing me now, anywhere they are. I'm not afraid of them. Nothing will happen. I'm equal to the tax. Nothing will face the fair face. Face the fair face. So, when people come talk, say, you know what I don't like in my life? I have said, you get one man where they send before my, what is it called? Minister of it. Okay. Listen me. Former Minister of War, Transport. No, all of them. Your business ready, so. Eastern Port is dead. Is Eastern Port not dead? You are importing your goods. Look at the whole of our port is dead. God gave us a Minister of Transportation who was close to Mr. President. He was close to Mr. President. He don't give us the standard gauge. He don't give us the narrow gauge. He don't give us the short gauge. He don't give us the back gauge. We'll get anyone. No real life to go to Abaya in there. If he didn't there, he didn't there. Look at our own port. Go to MPA, he's dead. Once of what you import, you go to Lagos and the rest of them. And the same person go waka come here. Or I open an ear. They listen what he was here as governor for 8 years, no so. He was minister for almost 8 years, no so. He said governor. He believed in the Southern presidency when he was running. Right? As he no getter. He supported anybody from the South. He loved for the Igbos, he loved for now. But he's so big, he support them. He support them. On a day, somebody come to tell on a lie. Why he's on her head? Wicked man. Agree. Make you know disagree. Wicked. You be waiting. Maybe so. You know, the man went talk here. Or I know when I came on board 2015, or I know how this road will be. Now you know they forget things easily. What can I do? Now me put on back. Not so. If every government, you know, say nobody will don't fight this federal government like me. Not so. But that time when they like me, Wike, Otoku, Oyeshike, strong man. Not so. Now they come one spoiling me one a day. God bless you. 2019, from 2019 to now, even you from your own space where you come from for Nigeria, now who don't get the mind? You must accommodate everybody. like this. So you don't need to be angry. So, now so, I recognize you. So, you have been in this state. You have been working for 4 years, from 2019 till now, for a government to do 12 flyovers. It's not about joke. It's not about joke. And not be say the flyover. Not be say the flyover. Now from this roadside contractors, not be so. You know who do them? Who do them? You must mind about 12 flyovers in 4 years. In 4 years. See this Bishop Okoye. I don't know how Bishop Okoye did before. I won't forget. My good man. See. This one, now in next 2 months, I will go so. I think I will go next 2 months. Mention any state as you there where the second term where they go. When they see, when they commission project and flag off project and pay for it, even if I'm not there. Any state, it shows the love, it shows the commitment I have for this state and the people who work in this state. I may not have, sometimes when you are doing something, like I told Obun about people today, when I was going there, when they do that flyover, they don't like me. As I come, that's what they will abuse me. I'll do like Saturday here. I will pass to do my work. Even to announce Obun about the landlords, even this my way, chief ticket. You follow? My place. They abuse me. They said nothing will make me do that thing. As I go to work. I said, heaven no go fall, I go do it. I don't do it. Girl, I don't do it. What you do? I do it. If you get the mind, if you don't get capacity, you don't get that. If you didn't there, you didn't there. You don't be to make mad, I go do. Can't do a mobile sinner. So, I just want to appeal to all of you. Not gonna leave this room. If we see what we have done, and if God help, through honor, some of them they serve for their home, some of them Port Harcourt, some of them Igbos local government, some of them Igbo. Anywhere you register and you love this state, let's move on. In the next 4 years, see what will happen to this state. See how this state will look like. So, and I don't see as a real. That is so. Bless Ramadu will soon come. And I want to see here, that is so. You know, Nigeria, on a two live people when they talk, like me. Same when they talk, they don't say they're quiet. But don't say quiet people can be dangerous too. I told another man, not be say quiet. My hard man who, I feel talk, I don't be hard man who. I don't understand me. But he has been in the system, a renowned civil servant who grew from the rank, from junior staff to senior staff to director of finance to permanent secretary to accountant general. You say no qualify. Now who qualify? Accountant general don't qualify. Now you will qualify, huh? You know what I mentioned they bring that boy? What are they calling that boy? Also, and I know he's no fish. Now let me tell you, he will be pastor. You see, now the thing where they happen for Nigeria, I don't like. Anybody who wants to go politics, you don't come pastor. He will begin to speak in tongue. You know good. Leave work for pastors to do. Maybe so. Leave they use pastor name to come they play us while here. How pastor you go say that pastor? With the prosecutor with Amaechi for court now for the still about $50 million. Listen, I don't know about anything. I don't know with the prosecutor. What did he build? Dr. Peter rebuilt. Tell the guys to buy it. Tell the guys to buy. All the suffer good for us to have electricity. Amaechi go sell up to Sahara. Sahara where to go with the head of the Sahara. $308 million. $308 million. Now, when we came on board, I want to look paper. Hey, I did $50 million come up now. Come enter for her Sahara again. I said, no. When do we pay Sahara buy gas turbine for almost $308 million? No, so. $50 million. Come out again from our account. Go back to Sahara. Come. Sahara on the bank and a gross money. Do you understand me? With the prosecutor. Now what did Amaechi they do now? Now to see say they the prosecutor. Now to go bring Coke or what? Coke. Coke. Okay, Coke. Okay, Coke. But frankly speaking, I don't know. Now, anything want to call it the name. Now they go bring and make him come be governor. So our $50 million go just go like that. Come, not gonna convert them or they will be trade them because I have to convert. And 700 is 35 billion. 35 what? Billion. That is what you want to tell us? To cover our eyes. To cover our eyes. Look at monorail. On another day, they spent 50 billion naira. Monorail of less than 1.something kilometer. I keep them there saying that their own amusement center. Their children will go see and waiting them back in. Not be so. Now the same people when they come here, they campaign. And they listen to them. When they come down and say, oh, we Igbos, anything we want to lose, we will leave it back. I know no problem for that one. But you are governor for 8 years. Not be so. You don't remember Igbos to give them back. You want to use our heads. We have stayed here. All of us are working together. We have been marrying each other. We don't do girlfriend, boyfriend, not be so. Husband and wife, not be so. Not be so. You want to something where even most of the youth here, we are not born. You want to come and cause crisis amongst us. 80 years as governor, you don't remember the Igbos suffered. You know when it was their time. You want the Igbos. Obi they run, you not support Obi. Obi they run, you not support Obi. Who you support? Now we support. You see, that is the kind of characters you see here. They come and talk to you. Ndibo, Wike hates you. That's why Wike did fly over in Ikoku to Poshona. How can human beings reason that way? How? Me went to fly over in front of my house. I hate myself too. You know so? I hate myself. What kind of life is that? We should not deceive our people. Tell us what you can do. Telco say, in Mama Naibo, what is that? Mama Naibo, so that on a talk. What do you mean? How many times you don't go there to show that Mama Naibo? Because in the 5 foot, my Mama Naibo. That one now qualification. Is it a qualification? No, now you wear your Mama Naibo. Fa. See people. It is a, you look people, see, trade that like this. It is a they don't get the head. If they come, they tell them, say, I go give on a back, go down and look for civil war. When God give you governor for 8 years, you don't do. When you were speaker in 2000, You were speaking for 8 years. When the issue was brought up, Amaechi vehemently opposed it. Look at small boy. When they talk to people, traders. Sure. Most of they pass through. The goal was the import, they carry. Then I go add the cost. We will here with the suffer the buyer. You know, all these things they add the cost. Let me show you. If the pot they work, you go tell her that. No, my governor. So what can he tell you now? What can he tell you? Since he was governor, he don't come here. My in-laws, Igbo. My wife is from your area. Good. When you were in Sahara, have you come to the building material? And I know that my mother Igbo. Mother give me 2 days, I want to employ. He come. No. Did he come? No. Nana, my mama na Igbo. Yeah, man will be proper Igbo. We know those will be proper Igbo. Igbo Palu. Igbo Palu. Now local election. You will vote for a person where you know how they smell. Where you know how you they smell. Not so. Not so. You fought for me, I fought for you. Not so. All of us who now said, nobody talk about Foko here. Nobody talk about Foko. Not so. Nobody talk about Azaria. Nobody talk about. Make their own people come. I'm not going to talk about them. They don't come. Even though this place when I've been finishing, Vogo, Mayor, this land on our land. So this election, now, local election, let me know about the confusion about the national election. What will be with see how reasonable Obi is. He told everybody, I'm going to court, not so, to challenge it, not so. You know, it took him 2.5 years in the tribunal to be governor. Do you know that? Not so. You see what he said? I'm going to court. This other one said they work on every day. We not go agree, we not go agree. And is that life? They don't turn to students, you know. And labor union, not the labor party, labor union. It's all for you to behave the way they behave. It enter Gongoro. All we are saying what? So we have no chance to continue what we're doing. If you're a member of this state, you want this state to move forward the way it's going, then we must continue with sin to consolidate and continue with the good work we are doing. How many governors go she come out like this? I am going in the next 2 months. I'm going. I am going as a happy man. I'm going my shoulders high. I did not disappoint my people. So now I know be that governor where they go. You go carry soldiers. What did they pursue you with the carry soldiers? Or I see soldiers there with me. What did they carry soldiers? They carry 3 platoons of soldiers. They will address your people. That is not. So I want to beg you people. The die is cast. The die is what? Cast. On March 18th, so please, I beg you. Not gonna make sure say my umbrella all the way. Last one. There's another one we do. Let me tell you. The other one. That's what we do. Babu. The other one will vote unity of the country. So, unity of the this one. Now waiting. From now to 18, if you are dead there around, anything when they talk to your babe now, umbrella. Do you understand what I mean? Come, all these young boys, as I saw that they hang there, I know that. This night, tell her, babe, my umbrella. If you done with your wife, she passed. Darling, umbrella. Do you understand what I mean? It's not their job. If you want the pound, she just want. Umbrella. So make nobody make mistake. When we finish that one, we will continue to fight. You are not so. I don't want to just say, do I want to come out? Last one, now someone come out for this one too. And press for sin and ask the room. Please, this one will come now. Then when they come campaign to her, they know if you put on life, you know why? They do deny what they talk. Me, I don't deny anything. I don't deny it. If they want anything what they want, I will face them. You understand me? You don't hear say person don't die 2 times. What will be that now? We will be human beings. I know some be human beings. Would they? So I want to thank you as you have come out here, and please, if you hear anything, chairman of the 12, what with them? What the chairman of the 12 amalgamated unit? Even but I know to be well too. I hear sir you come here today. They say go to here. I know if you drink jokes, or we carry go to preparation. And so when you are say, anyhow, can. You understand me? As I go here now, no ha. Why would you call here? Anyway, you know too late to do. Before I go, I don't put out for my hillocks. But I thank all of you. I thank you. And let me tell you, I'm so happy the cleanness of the area. I love the cleanness of the area. I love how you are united, how you work together. Don't allow anybody to divide you. Continue to work as one. Continue to work as one. Leadership is not easy. He may not be the best, but having made him to be the leader, give him that support. Do you understand me? Before the election, I will speak up. You know what I mean? You know what I mean now? You know what I mean? I understand the language. Do you understand our combat? Do you know the meaning of our combat? Do you understand? Very well. I'm coming back, so you know that umbrella is important. Umbrella is important. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.